Together, a first book about race for awesome kids. By me, Shayla Reese Griffin. Illustrated by Christina O. Awesome kids of every race live together in the United States. But it wasn't always this way. A long, long time ago, all people lived together in Africa. Then we started moving. And even though we were still the same on the inside, we started to think of each other as different races. Did you know? Humans have different skin colors because of how our bodies adapted to different amounts of sunlight in different parts of the world. Our race is mostly based on the place our ancestors, our grandparents lived. People whose ancestors stayed in Africa the longest are Black. Fun fact, the Dogon people of Mali were some of the world's first astronomers. People whose ancestors were the first to live in North and South America are indigenous or Native American. Did you know? Around 1100 CE, the city of Cahokia, near present-day St. Louis, Missouri, was as large and technologically advanced as any city in the world. People whose ancestors lived in Asia are Asian. Fun fact, people from China invented the first fireworks in the world. People whose ancestors lived on islands in the Pacific Ocean are Pacific Islander. Did you know? Pacific Islanders were some of the first people on the planet to cross oceans. People whose ancestors lived in Europe are white. Fun fact, people from Greece invented the Olympics, a competition of the world's best athletes. People whose ancestors lived in Southwest Asia or North Africa are Middle Eastern or North African, MENA. Fun fact, people from ancient Mesopotamia, centered in present-day Iraq, invented some of the first written languages in the world. People who are more than one race are multiracial or biracial. Did you know? Multiracial people sometimes use the term mixed to describe themselves, or they may name their specific racial identities. Some identify with only one of their racial groups. Fun fact, most of us are probably a little bit of a mix because each one of us has thousands of ancestors, and there's a good chance they came from different places. And people whose ancestors lived in Mexico, Central America, South America, or some Caribbean islands are Latine, Latinx, or Latino. Fun fact, the Olmec and Maya built some of the oldest pyramids and cities in the world. Our awesome ancestors moved all around the world. They walked, they rode on boats and trains, they flew in airplanes. And now, in the United States, awesome kids of every race live together. Did you know? Some of our ancestors have been in the U.S. for as long as humans can remember. Some moved here by choice, and some were not given a choice.